buy now, pay later loans are a popular alternative to spread the cost of an item across many months with little to no interest. But now credit score company FICO will start factoring these loans into your credit score.
And local financial professional Ashley Terrell with Burns Estate Planning is here to break down what this could mean for millions of Americans who use this service. Ashley, good to see you. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
So let's talk about why this news is so important.
Yeah, so it's estimated that 91 million Americans are going to use those services such as Affirm or Afterpay this year. So we expect this to impact a ton of people. Historically, these have been used to buy accessories and clothes, but we're finding that people are starting to use these for everyday purchases such as groceries.
Yeah.
And this is kind of different than when you go to a furniture store and get financing for a large piece of furniture or that sort of thing, right? We're talking about something different here.
Yeah, so these tend to be a lot of small, short-term loans, and these can add up very quickly, especially if you're using them for something as everyday purchases. You can lose track of exactly how much you're spending.
We just reported a few weeks ago that people using this aren't even paying eventually, which could also be a very negative impact.
Yeah, so it's estimated that about 40% of those customers miss a payment, and a late payment of more than 30 days can affect your credit score by about 100 points. Additionally, like I mentioned, those are short-term loans, and the length of your average credit card or credit history can have a major impact on your FICO score as well, which is the main score that people pull whenever you buy a house or a car or anything like that.
So are there any positives then to these buy now, pay later loans?
There can be some positives. Some of them are interest-free. And if you don't have your emergency fund built up and you run into some sort of an emergency like a flat tire, this can be beneficial to get you through that time. However, like I mentioned earlier, you need to be careful with how much you're spending, because what stands between you and your dreams, your retirement, a lot of times is debt.
Right.
And this can add up very, very quickly.
Do you have any tips for people who might be considering using the buy now, pay later option for something, what they should factor into that decision?
Absolutely. So when I was growing up, I was always told if you can't pay for it in cash, you probably shouldn't purchase it. And while I understand not everyone is in that type of situation, just be mindful with what you are buying, what you are spending, and don't lose track of those payments, and please don't miss any payments as well.
Yeah.
So I think, is this something you actually need, right? Is this something that you need and it has to have to be today?
Yeah, absolutely.
Exactly.
All right, Ashley, thank you so much for being here with us this morning.
Great
Thank you
stuff
for
there,
having
Ashley.
me.
All right, thank you very much.